Hi, girls and boys. Mrs. Tento here. It's January 5th. It's Tuesday, and this is now your reading lesson. Another simple book, and we should all be doing well on this. Now, you can hardly see this. My copies didn't turn out good when I first got these off the computer, so please excuse it. It's called Peg the Hen. And oh, look at that hen. I wonder about this hen. You can color this today if you'd like, because let's look at the first sentence. I want to find out what color Peg is. We're working on letter E. Remember, E says eh, eh, eh. So here we go. Fingers on the first word and read along with me. Peg is a red hen. Fancy. Let's turn the page. Oh my goodness, what is Peg getting on her head? Does anybody know what these are? It's goggles as part of an aviator's head hat that they wear in a plane that's got an open cockpit. And she's got her aviator glasses and aviator hat on. You don't see many of those anymore. Anyway, put your finger under the first word. It says, Peg gets set to go. Let's do that again. Fingers ready under the first word. Ready, get set, read. Peg gets set to go. Wonder where she's going. Oh my goodness, look at her airplane. Do you know what it's called? It's called the egg. I wonder why. We have an idea, don't we? So let's put our fingers under the first word and ready, get set, read. Peg gets in a jet. Very small jet. But she's in her jet. Let's turn the page. Wonder where she's going. Well, we all have trouble with turning pages sometimes. Oh my goodness, here she is. Whew, I was in a jet and it was bumpy, bumpy, bumpy. Lots of turbulence on my trip across the country. Lots of clouds. So she's got clouds. Do you think she has turbulence? Turbulence means bumpy, bumpy, bumpy ride. And it's not always dangerous, very rarely. But if it got bad enough, well, maybe. But I wonder what's going to happen to Peg in the egg. Put your finger under the first word. Ready, get set, read. The jet is, oh, let's read it slowly. Fast, fast. So let's read it again. Put your finger under the first word. Ready, get set, read. The jet is fast. Oh, but look what she's under. A canopy of clouds. And a canopy means a whole big covering. Like a canopy bed might have a big covering over it, or the canopy part of the rainforest is a covering of leaves. So it makes like a roof almost. So a canopy is similar to the word roof. Let's put our finger under the first word. Ready, get set, read. Peg gets wet. Oh dear, I hope there's no lightning. Let's see what happens. We'll turn the page. Oh my goodness. Well, this is hard to even see what the jet gets caught in. You'll have to draw one. That would be kind of fun to see if you draw one. Put your finger under the first word. Ready, get set, read. The jet gets in a web. I don't know what would happen if I got caught in a spider web. I don't know what kind of web there would be out there. I've never seen a web in the sky. Have you? Unless it's a spider web close to the house. But now look at Peg. What is she doing? She had a parachute on. I guess she jumped from her plane like my son-in-law does. But he does it on purpose. He doesn't do it because it's an emergency. He's a soldier and a captain, And he jumps out of airplanes now and then. So here we go. Let's find out about Peg. Ready, set, read. Peg falls and falls. Do you think she'll get hurt? I don't think she'll get hurt. If she has a parachute on, what do you think? Is that there to help her? Because she's way up high in the sky? Yes. She'll go slowly down to earth, and if she knows how to land right, she'll be just fine. Oh, look at this. I wonder, was she make-believing the whole time? I like to make believe, do you? I know you guys do. I know my grandson loves to make believe. Here we go. He's 3. You're a little older than 3, but make believe is a lot of fun. Here we go. Fingers under the first word. Peg falls into bed. Oh, my goodness. Now this word falls has a word. I'm going to cover up part of the F and the A. Has A-L-L that says all. So you could have fall. We could put a B in front and have ball. We could put a C in front and have call. We could put an M in front and have mall. We could have SM in front and say small. So all is in a lot of words. There we go. That's it for that book. Now here's Peg the Hen Work Pages. And let's see what we have here. The first page says, complete each word to rhyme with hen. Then say the word. Oh my goodness. So you can very lightly see, if you look very closely, there's an EN on each word. So this picture is a picture of a hen. And this is the numeral 10. And these two people are men. And this writing implement is called a pen. There you go. That's pretty easy. Nothing more to that than to write the beginning sound and to continue by tracing the rest of the word in pencil, please. And please put your name right here or here so I can see your name written in pencil there. Thank you so much. I mean, it could be written down in the white spot too. I need to be able to see it so that it's there. Turn the page, and here is a place on this page to write your name as well. I like you to write your name on every page just because it's great practice for you, and some of you may be practicing your last names as well. Here we go. This page says, complete each word to rhyme with fall. Remember, we just went through those words. Then say the word. Hint, use the picture clues to help. So this one has, Peg was making her fall. So you're going to just trace F-A-L-L. Now, number 2, oh, this guy is tall. Gosh, it looks like Miss Heather and Mrs. Tento, doesn't it? She's tall and I'm small, at least short, but we'll go with small for now. And then the next one is a ball. You are writing the ending last 3 sounds, and I'm going to underline for you on my paper what you're going to add at the end of each word is just, see up here, A-L-L. So you need to sound it out, and this is ball, and this is a wall. They all need, each one of these needs to have A-L-L added. And at the bottom, for you who are big brain types from my class, it says brain work. Write a different word that rhymes with fall. Draw a picture to match the word. And they've given you the beginning, and you get to draw the picture. All right, going to turn to the next side. And here we go again. Here we go with word shapes. Let's look at the words first. This first word says here. Here, it's a sight word. Here. And this word says go. Go. And this word is in. This word says of. This word says into, and this word says away. Do you remember that this first one you're going to look for 1, 2, 3, 4-letter words? Well, this one has 4 letters, this one has 4 letters, and this one has 4 letters. But oh, look, there's a rectangle to start. That means a tall letter. So I only see one word with the tall letter at the beginning, and there it is. Now you're going to figure out the rest of these and see which word fits in which shape. And remember, you're going to count the boxes, the little squares and rectangles, and that's how many letters can fit. Only 1 letter per shape. Got it? All right, I hope you understand and review those words with Mom and Dad. Now I'm going to turn this over. Let's see, do we have many more pages? Oh boy, this seems like a lot of work, but it's kind of fun because you're going to know a whole lot of new words by the time you get back to school. Oh, here it says, oh, first write your name and then write the missing short vowel in each word. What's the vowel we're working on? We're working on eh, letter E, eh. The sound is the short vowel sound is eh, and that's the sound. The name is the long vowel sound. So this is a hen, and you're just going to trace over the letters and then put your little E in there. This is a jet. This is a 10, a bell, bed, and tent. Brain work. Circle the words that rhyme. Well, I think you'll do a great job on that. And then let's turn the page. Oh, I like these pages. These are really good pages. On this page, it says, circle the word that best completes the sentence, then write the word in the blank. It says, the hen has, does she have bags? Does she have wags? Or does she have eggs? You might need to read over those with Mom and Dad. You're going to read the sentence. You're going to circle the word that goes. And I think we know on this one, it will be eggs. And then you write the word eggs right in here. And you're going to do the same thing with each of the other sentences. And I'm going to let you read those and see how you do with them. Although there's a word she, if you look at the SH, we haven't learned that yet. SH says shh. See where I underlined SH? Shh. She is in a, and you're going over here to find out which word goes with jet and which word goes with wet and which word goes with bed. It looks like a lot of the things that were in your story, so it's nothing new. All right, do your best on that. Nicely done today. All right, now the last page is similar to yesterday's last page. Write your name at the top, nice and neat. And then it says, circle the things that have short E sound, eh, eh, eh. Then write about the picture using the word bank to help you. Now, I'm going to read the words with you. Put your finger under this word. The first word is men, hen, jet, bed, web, and what is that last? A bell. Right there, bell. So you're going to find those things that are written here, and you're going to circle them, and anything else that has a in it, you may circle. And then if you're just learning how to write words, you can just copy the words. But those of you who know how to write a sentence, I'd love a sentence or a little story. That would be wonderful. Okay, so I hope you all understand the directions for this. Pretty easy. Use a pencil. Remember, I always want pencil. All right, see you on the next lesson. Bye-bye, everybody.